There's AdazElevatorz.
Alright.
The Hotel Indigo in East Liberty, and now this one open. This one is the rear door.
6 hours long.
I don't want to mention what it smells like in here, but anyway, let's go. They finally got rid of the R at the end of the digits. And
Got the
I like
number.
that. That apartment building right there has 22-story Otis block buttons.
Ooh.
That glass apartment building far away.
There are 2.
Got a nice cab. I like the thing right here.
The film picture.
Yeah. Unfortunately, all of the rear floors are locked.
Yeah. I'll set this one up. Oh, that's this 2 right here.
Yeah, this floor's a bit different. This floor doesn't have a window. Even though the hotel's pretty big, there isn't even any more elevator. Actually, let me check something. There's the elevator at the rear floors that are locked.
I think our elevator's leaving.
Oh. Here we go.
Let them go down. They
Oh,
go down.
it says it's going up.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it's going up?
Yeah.
I've not written this one before.
Oh, you haven't?
No, I've only written the other one. This is the one with the double chime.
Well, the one button's a little thin.
And it's sync.
Oh, I wonder if those other people.
That looks like a
posted-
wiring issue.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? I think it's just partially burned out or something. And if you look closer, there's this building with the 22 stories, black ones, and the safe space. I'm going to stop my video now.